Alright, this is where we're going to be purchasing our silver from.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you what I just picked up at my local coin shop. Okay, so let me just bring it in here. So they packaged it in just looks like something that just kind of resembles a sandwich bag, which I assume is pretty standard practice when you purchase silver coins from a coin shop. Again, this is actually my first time purchasing silver from a coin shop, or just purchasing anything whatsoever. So the first thing I picked up was this one. Actually, let me just tell you guys the price that I actually picked these two 1 ounce silver pieces. So I actually met the owner and was able to talk to them. So I picked up 2 silver 1 ounce rounds for $31 each, which currently the spot price is like $25.90 or $25.80 or something like that. So a little over $5 spot price. So I feel like that's to be expected. Let me know how much of a premium your local coin shop charges you, but I figured between $5 to $6 over spot isn't a crazy amount. But if it's a total ripoff, just let me know. Like I said, this is my first experience buying from a coin dealership, and they also told me that if I were to sell my silver to them in the future, they would pay me spot price. So let me know if that is a good deal, or again, if that is just pretty standard practice. I've heard of places that, well, online, I've heard people mention, like, you know, some coin shops pay like spot price in addition to X amount, but let me know if just receiving spot price for them purchasing my silver is a good deal. So alright, so let me show off. I intended to only buy 1 ounce of silver, but I ended up purchasing 2 just because this is the second piece that I was able to find, and I just thought it looked pretty cool. And that's pretty much how I'm going to go about collecting my silver coin / rounds. I'm just going to find like the pieces that I think look really cool. Again, this is just the back of it, but here we go, flipping it over to the face here, and up here it says Liberty, and it's not in like perfect condition, but to me it just seemed like cool enough coin to pick up. Not coins, it's a round. Well, at least I believe so. And he was very willing to answer any of the questions I had, which I thought was pretty awesome. So he will be my go-to guy, assuming you guys don't give me any red flags in terms of the pricing and whatnot. But again, I think this is just a beautiful piece here. So very excited to add this to my collection. So I'm going to put this piece up here. And I'm going to get, what I'm actually pretty excited about here is got myself a Buffalo silver round. So this was in pretty good condition here, and I just really like the way that it looks. And then just flip it over to the face here. Again, very good condition. Got a little bit of something there, but I was able to wipe right off. I'm going to be getting cases for these just to put them and just preserve them a little bit, just so I could keep them safe at as best condition as I can for when I pass them off to my kids someday, or if something horrible goes wrong, in which case I'll have to liquidate my silver collection, which hopefully won't happen. But again, you never know what's going to happen. But hopefully I will be passing off my silver collection to the next generation. That's why I'm doing this. I'm just collecting it because it's pretty fun. I actually really liked going to the coin shop and looking at different pieces of silver, and I'm looking forward to my weekly trips of doing this, weekly or bi-weekly. Again, this is piece number 1, the Buffalo silver round, and then piece number 2. So I very much enjoy these pieces. I'm going to try to collect different pieces as I go, but I might try to continue to collect these Buffalo silver rounds because they're pretty cool looking. So flipping them over once again to this side, you can see the back of them. I really like the back of this too, so if I could find more of these, I feel like that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna be collecting silver pieces that I think look cool. Not necessarily going to go for all of the mint stuff, but yeah, let me know what you guys think, and how do you guys pick the coins that you guys go after. And I might eventually go for a silver bar instead of a silver round. Maybe that'll be my next purchase. But yeah, it depends on what their inventory is, and I'm looking forward to going back to the coin shop. I can't wait. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.